Ashoka the Great, one of the famous and unforgettable king in history of India and world. He had option of expanding his empire behind boundaries of Akhand Bharat, but he chose peace over war. Yes, you heard it right. After Battle of Kalinga, Ashoka chose peace and converted to Buddhism. But question pops in everyone's mind is, why Ashoka is great compared to other kings? What made Ashoka to accept Buddhism after Battle of Kalinga? For next 3 minutes, I am going to tell you historical facts of Mauryan Empire and people's loved king Ashoka the Great. Stay tuned and watch full video. Before watching video, if you not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe and press bell icon for short and simplified videos every day. Let's begin our video from 304 BC where Ashoka was born in Patliputra to the father Bindusara and mother Subhadrangi. Not to forget, Bindusara is the son of Chandragupta Maurya. Yes, you heard it right. Ashoka is a grandson of Chandragupta Maurya who founded Mauryan Empire in guidance of Chanakya. It was Mauryan emperors Chandragupta Maurya and Bindusara who ruled Akhand Bharat from Afghanistan to parts of Karnataka. But they could not rule Mahisha Mandala, which is part of Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and other important region is Kalinga, which is part of today's Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. And one cannot forget that Kalinga is prosperous land of ancient India where trading was done to different parts, and also Kalinga was so strong that Bindusara failed many times to conquer it. Ashoka was so brave that he was named in charge of Avanti where he ruled Avanti so well and became people's loud ruler. After death of Bindusara, it was Ashoka who was named as next king where he ruled Akhand Bharat, creating wealth and built strong empire. Later, Ashoka eyed for leftover kingdom which is Kalinga. At the time, Kalinga was ruled by Raja Ananta Padmanabha who had one of the strongest army which includes 1.5 lakh soldiers, 2,500 cavalries and more than 1,000 elephants. But this was nothing in front of Ashoka's army who had 4 lakh foot soldiers, 6,000 cavalries and more than 5,000 elephants. Battle was fought heavily in banks of Daya river where it is said that more than 1 lakh soldiers of Kalinga and 20,000 Mauryan soldiers were killed, and it is also said that river was filled with blood. After battle, Ashoka went to battlefield where he was shocked and felt sad after seeing lakhs of bodies, thousands of horses and elephants were cut into pieces, and decided something in battlefield which changed his life. Yes, after Battle of Kalinga, he decides not to fight any war in future and converts to Buddhism for peace and bans animal cruelty, stop eating non-veg, and also he sends his own sons to spread roots of Buddhism. And Ashoka was one such king where he had law of respecting other religions and beliefs of people, and also if someone breaks law then they would be punished under religious discrimination. To spread peace, he built 84 Buddhist monuments across empire where Sanchi Stupa is one of the biggest monument. Not just Akhand Bharat, but he sent many preachers across world to spread Buddhism and peace. And it was in visit of Saranath where he shared 4 noble laws and established Ashoka Pillar. And not to forget, national emblem of India and Ashoka Chakra in national flag is derived from Ashoka. For next 32 years, he rules Mauryan Empire peacefully, but again it was his grandchildren who created dispute among kingdoms and started fighting for king's crown where Ashoka was not happy with what was happening and decided to leave palace. Even today no one exactly know where Ashoka died, but it is said that after leaving palace he went in search of peace, and it was in his 70s he passed away somewhere near to Takshashila. Today across country there are many such scriptures of Ashoka. One such place is from Raichur's Maski from Karnataka state where we can find Ashoka's history in Pali language where we can tell that Ashoka ruled parts of Karnataka. One cannot forget that Ashoka was most peaceful, loud and respected ruler in Mauryan Empire, and also he was known as Ashoka the Great because of choosing peace over war. That's the end of short and simplified history about Ashoka the Great. If you think this video is fact, then kindly share this video and comment your doubts in comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting and trending videos.